just kind of... Oh, this hurts. Oh my god, this Reddit link, this Reddit image. This hurts. Google.com is a pure search engine. No weather, no news feeds, no links to sponsors, no ads, no distractions, no portal litter. Portal litter, what a dated phrase. Nothing but a fast loading search site. Reward them with a visit. Man, what happened? 1999. God, used to be so good. Anyway, drowning in the past again. Google became Satan. They certainly gave up something for something. Yeah. No offense, but using woke unironically for me is a bit of a red flag. I do take issue with rainbow washing. I'm not familiar with rainbow washing. What is rainbow washing? Communism, baby. This message has been deleted by Twitch moderators. Sold their soul for money. Yup. Hey, Dobshi, welcome in. Welcome, welcome. Also have to remember 1999 was when dial-up was far, far more common than high-speed internet. So all the extra stuff would slow things down. Oh, that's true. Yeah, no, you're right. God, man. How's 5.4 going so far? It's going pretty good. I had fun with the animation, obstacle course, and didn't reach the end of it because I suck. But now I'm just, trying to tomatoes pray for my sanity. I'm giving the chair blueprint another attempt. I'm gonna be trying to do this chair again. God, I dread it. Ugh. Rainbow washing is what happens to all major corporations in June. All pro LGBTQIA plus up until July 1st. Then it's back to disregarding CVs from trans people and so on. Man. That sucks, crypto. Yeah, it's just awful. 1999 was one of the best years of my life. Yeah, the 90s, the 90s was kind of a turning point, I feel like. The end of the 90s at least. You got this, Mags? Thanks, Tomatoes. You can do it? I hope so, zombie. Not the chair. Yep. Yeah. If the stream suddenly goes offline, we know what happened. The gremlins got Max. No, God, don't test fate. Knocking on wood vigorously. Existential crisis. Existential crisis, Amphi. This chair blueprint makes me want to shove my head through the wall. Hey now, you're an all-star. Motivation, no play. All that glitters is gold. And then I look in the mirror and see that I'm old. Hey now, get your game on. Da, 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 let's play. Da, 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 da. Man, they just don't make them like they used to. Now, old is used very loosely here. I prefer retro, personally. So, better laugh than cry, right, guys? Yeah. All that glitters is gold. Only shooting stars. Da 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 da. I used to remember the lyrics of the verses, but I haven't heard the song in a while. Just clean up some stuff real quick. All that glitters is gold. Only shooting stars break the mold. Thank you, Dragon. I forgot the lyrics. I cry laugh like a madman. Fair enough, Antbeat. You know, it's like they say, fake it till you make it, so. I prefer the simplified version of the song. I'm not sure I am familiar with the simplified version of the song unless you mean the version from Shrek, so. So they remember them all. No, I mean, not a problem, Dragon, no worries. Man, it always is a problem with compiling shaders, huh? Compiling shaders. Oh yeah. Actually, here's what I'll work on. Here's what I'll work on while I'm waiting for this to do a thing. I started working on this. And for those who don't know what this is Bit. Because, haha. Let me, it's a little messed up right now. Because a friend of mine, Jesus, sent me a blueprint, but I couldn't see the values inside the timelines. I understand there was a float track, but I was not sure the values of the float. So it looks like Bismore. It's supposed to be Bit, but because there's no animation on it yet, so Bit is not functional. And by that I mean all 4 meshes, because for those who don't know, Bit is literally just hold on, can I use rendering? Basically this is Bit. And how it works is he's actually two icohedrons, I think what is it called? Icohedrons, and like two separate icohedrons, like pulsing inside of each other. And you know, when he says yes, this, you know, he'll like spike out and it'll grow, and then when he says yes, do the same thing. Except it's a diamond color. So, all technically mathematical meshes, which I found really, really cool, really interesting as I was putting the meshes together. The only problem is I can't figure out how to animate them properly. Jesus sent you a blueprint? His name is Jesus. He's not the Jesus. I mean, I'm agnostic anyways, but, so, yeah, because this is how it's setting those, I think. Let me actually, double check the blueprint that he sent me. Have you tried using a screwdriver? If only that works, Gob. How does UE5 handle blend shapes? I am not sure. I've never tried to import blend shapes into Unreal Engine before. Let me see if I can find it again. Oblix, thank you for the follow. Welcome to the grid. I hope you're having a fantastic day. Give me a second. Bits. Where was it at? Where was it at? Ah, here it was. Yo, Braxton82, thank you for the follow. Welcome to the grid. Back in my day, my hammer was called Worldcraft. Okay. Oh, Hammer the engine. Bruh. Let me see. Okay, so I don't think there's a way to see this value. Is there? No, because like here you can hover over and see that it has like current value something. In what he sent me, which is using Blueprint UE, using like a open source website for like sharing blueprints. This is what he sent me, but I'm not able to actually like open up these nodes. I can't actually see what's inside. So I kind of have to just guess the values, unfortunately. And I don't know what it would be. Yo! Oh my god, Dev Girl! Bonjour! Welcome in, everyone! Hello, hello! Ça va? Oh! Hello, hello! How are you? Could you tell me advice or page for learning algorithms? I'm struggle and is impossible. I don't know that I'm the best person to give advice for that, Oblex. I'm sorry, I don't know much about algorithms. I'm mostly, I'm not really a programmer, I'm a artist who uses blueprints, because coding is hard. Salathiel Genis, welcome in, welcome. Hey, have a beautiful stream. I'm going to eat. Oh my god. Bon appetit. Have good eats. Thank you for the raid. I hope you have I hope you had a fantastic stream. Thank you again. Merci. I know a little bit of French, like tiny bit, you know, a little bit, but because actually, for those who don't know, Bulgarian actually does have some French in it. Like we say merci sometimes at the store, you know, with the Bulgarian R, so. Coding is hard but funny. Exactly, Hadrian. It's fun. You know, I like learning, but it's sometimes difficult for my brain because like my brain is like I'm a visual learner. You know, I learn visually. So thinking about the technical stuff is a little difficult for me sometimes because I'm a good way to explain it I think is I'm more right brain than left brain, like artist not math, you know. Coding is easy, assembly is not that hard to learn. Hi English guys. Hey, Ace, welcome in. What's up, dude? But yeah, I kind of have to just guesstimate these values because I can't open it up. I can't. Oh, wait a minute. Here's something I might have missed. A new time 1? No, I got that. Weird. Because yeah, I'm not sure what I missed as far as because I set everything up the same, I think. It's just a matter of not knowing what variables are actually inside of here. I have no way to open it up and see. So, I don't know. Croissant? Oh, croissant. Okay. Kind of a logical, creative person, which puts me in a weird space. Dude, I wish I could think logically. I'm not good at logical thinking at all. Critical thinking, well, I should say too much critical thinking hurts my brain, so. Alright, I'm new but can't understand the algorithms, and I have a subject. Oh, I'm sorry, Oblex. I wish I could help you, dude. I'm not... I wish I knew how to help. I don't know what to say. I wouldn't know how to explain at all. I'm not sure I don't know about it as much as I wish I knew how to help you, but I wouldn't know what to say. So it is looping. I think. Is it? It is looping. Alright. I understand. Anyways, I'll be here watching. No worries. Thank you for being here. So yeah, these are the meshes. And see, I'm not 100% sure what, because I don't know what values to put in here right now, they're empty. Um, I don't know. It's a class diagram. I don't. Well, basically, what I'm trying to do is I'm trying to get it so that on activation, like when yes or no is called, there will be when yes or no is called. I want there to be a mesh that kind of scales up because it's supposed to start small, and it's not doing that at the current moment. It's basically, this is what'll, expand out and then go back in when no is called, and then when yes, the same thing will happen, except for this pyramid pyramidical icosahedron. So I'm not 100% sure, but while it's still compiling shaders over here, I'm gonna try and get this figured out. So sure. Pyramidical. I don't know the word. Listen, I made it up, Fuzzy. I wanted to call it like a triangular prism, but it's not triangular. It's like a mirrored diamond. I don't know what it's called, man. Like I said, I'm not math oriented. I don't know. Pyramidical. Oh my god, Fuzzy. Um do you have some sauce for that spaghetti? I do, Cog. I do. Except for the fact that I can't see inside the timeline. I can't double click it. I can't open it. It doesn't allow me to open it up. It just has like, hey, this is what this is. So yeah, here I can put this link in chat for you, Cog, if you want to take a closer look at it. So Clementune, welcome in, welcome. Isocadron? Isocadron. Isocadron? Is that what it is? Totally pyramidical, makes sense. I don't know what it's called, man. Clearly doesn't have the time stone. God, gob shush. Hi there. Hello, Rissa. Welcome in. How is the Tron world going on? Did you manage to fix the light? I believe I did. Let me, I sort of did. I mean, well, I did and I didn't. I didn't get the desired effect, so I kind of just put it outside for now. It's just kind of an outdoor light until I'm gonna have to make a proper street lamp of some kind or something sometime soon, so. But yeah, for now, that's how it is, but I'm currently trying to figure this out. Bonjour, Nookmine. What's up, man? Welcome in. Okay, so because this one starts at 1 second, I could set the timelines to have the same value. I think maybe that would even it out. So if I something like this, then have that be 2, 0. Oops. That needs to be 0. And that be a 2. Ace, thank you for the follow. Welcome to the grid. I've not. Is there something so well done? I mean, yeah, it's playable, but it's just not functional as a VBE yet. But it's not an isocadre. I don't know if I'm saying that right, but okay, fair enough. Like I said, I don't know the mathematical terms for it. I just know that it's something pyramid. I don't know. Like for bit from Tron 1982, they actually used very mathematical geometry. Luna, I love you, my dear, but can you not? No. Not right now. Try to steal my mouse pad again, girly. Cutie. I love to see this world evolving every day. Good job. Well, thanks, Nurk. It's a good deal of fun to work on. It's a little bit at a time, so you know, a little bit at a time. So just 2 seconds with a value of 0. Okay. Not use the blueprint site. How do you guys like it? I like it. It's fairly handy for sharing blueprints because it actually allows you to copy the blueprint code, and then once you copy that, like on your clipboard, you go straight into like the event graph, and you can just like Control V, and it'll paste all the nodes. I love that. It's makes my life a whole lot easier. Sorry for the broken message. It's 6 a.m. and I had to tell the kid to keep it down while people are sleeping. No worries, Cog. No worries. Luna, yes. Luna cameo. By its nature, geometry is very mathematical. I mean, yeah, it's ironic considering like how much I don't like math. I struggle with it, and yet I like do 3D modeling as my, you know, job sort of. Self-employed, but all right. So if these does that work like that? If I go in, does it start pulsing? Because it should. And I'm back. Welcome back, Lily. Welcome back. You are not. Why are you not? Bit! Yes, zombie. I'm struggling with the blueprints, but I am in the process of trying to get Bit to work. Although I'm not sure what I'm doing wrong. Alright, tell you what. If I try at least get the... I don't know. Alright. God, it's so sweaty! Stupid heat wave. 0.5. No, that needs to be a 0.5 with a value of... actually, I can have it 0.5, I think. I could, if I need to be... Well, no, actually, it needs to be a 1, because 1 would be... Yeah. I want with the time of 1. Okay. I don't know if this is what I'm supposed to be doing. I wish I had the values for this blueprint, but subjects does cause a bit of a problem, don't they? Indeed. It's like this. Time of 1, and let me create another curve, and this will be 0.5 with a value of 1. And okay, so these at least should be I think I might know what's happening. But I still don't completely understand why. I think this one just needs to be the proper length. So if I do the same thing for these, because it's also, I think, playing a bit too long. Probably too old and you didn't know about it, but that share reminded me of Cursor, the sidekick of Automan, a TV show from the 80s. That actually sounds familiar. I think maybe I've seen something like that on Rezo? Or Boomerang Rezo? Shape. Automan. For some reason it does sound familiar. I can't place why. Unless I'm thinking of Not sure what I'm thinking of. Oh my god, what is this? JJ YouTube, thank you for the follow. Welcome to the grid. I've never. No, this is not what I was thinking of at all. But holy cow, guys, look at this! New Tron aesthetic discovered. Like this. Yo, this has Tron aesthetic written all over it. Look at the sleek glowiness. You cannot tell me this is not how they did. Like the Tron and Automan did not have the same techniques for lighting up the suit, because like look at this. This dude. It only lasted a year? Really? The TV show like Tron, but the developer created a real life humanoid, but in reality is a program. Yo! I never knew about this! What the hell? This is cool! Yo, dude, Rezo, dude, mad thanks. I'm gonna watch this. I'm gonna find this somehow, and I'm gonna watch all of that. Thank you for the recommendation. I didn't know that existed. That's so cool, dude. Dad has a DVD set of that. I think he's selling it on eBay. Really? Dude, why would he sell that? That's awesome, dude. Holy cow. DVDs. Oh, man. The fact when DVDs are old. Probably the timeline was the same if I recall it correctly. Dude, that's awesome. That's awesome, Rezo. Yeah, because, like, Tron was 82. It said 84 to 85 was that one? Oh, this is sladka, Luna. Pushing her fur in my face. She's shedding a lot. Spent 100% of the budget on the Lambo. Is a Lambo contact, dude. Love that. If it ain't a Lambo, it's a Thunderbird or Firebird. Sorry. Could I show you something you like, dude? Hell yeah. When it comes to, for those who don't know, I am full in on like 80s, 90s, anything. Like Quantum Leap. Quantum Leap also. Love me some Quantum Leap. Arrived in Italy late of 1984. Probably was before in US. Yeah. Why not using ticks? I don't know what you mean by ticks. Luna, baby, it's not time for your food yet. It's 2 p.m. You don't eat for another 2 hours. And I'm sweaty, and your fur is sticking to me like feathers on a glue truck. That's a thing I said. Ah! What are you doing? Ow! She bite my finger. Kompresh ma! Ajde, ne tuka, ne venaga. Go. Quantum Leap was so good, although it did drag it on a bit too long. I mean, yeah, the later seasons, they kind of ran out of ways to revamp the story, but... Dude. Love me some... Man, I love Quantum Leap so much. This is my problem. I drown in nostalgia, and then I'm like, man, that's something I should rewatch. And then I rewatch it, and it's just like... And then I look at new stuff, I'm just like, meh. But old stuff... all day. Samuel Beckett. Beckett? Was it? I thought it was Beckett. Al Calavici. Yeah. Actor event ticks that tick every frame. Because event ticks are not friendly. They can cause lag sometimes. So, component event ticks. I just try not to use event ticks if I can help it. I don't personally like event ticks. I don't know. Yep, I found his listing. He's selling it for $20. Oh my god, dude. It's worth more than that. Come on. Another great show was Sliders. Oh my god! Dude, I love Sliders. Hell yeah. That was, oh god, it had what's-his-face in it. Oh god, what's his face from Kangaroo Jack? Oh god. Man, that's really showing my age there. Showing him what I know him from. Oh god, he was also in Stand By Me. Stand By Me? I think. But that was his first role. He was a kid actor. Oh man, David Daniel, uh, Jerry O'Connell. That's that was his name. Yeah, his name, his face, him. Yeah, Samurai Jack. No. Oh god. Someone tell me to focus again. God, I need a focus button. Someone yell at me to focus. Timelines are separate objects that are also ticking. Tick is the least expensive tick operation as long as you remember to turn it on and off. Yeah, Prismatica, that's... yeah, the problem is I was using copied someone's blueprints for this. Like, they gave it to me, but I didn't know the values inside the blueprints, so I'm struggling to make it work. So, I don't know. Right now I'm just trying to get the, pulsing of, like, the neutral state working, so... what software do you use? Blender and Blender 4.1 and Unreal Engine 5.3.2. Most expensive listing I could find was a sealed, like, new set. 123. Jesus. Is my fault, sorry, no focus on the job, I want to see that world done. No, it's fine, Rezo. I'm glad for the distraction, even though I shouldn't be. It is not a big deal. So yeah, what I'm trying to do right now is I'm just trying to make sure that this pulsing works, but I'm not sure what the values inside the timeline should be. Sakurga Hacker! Yo, Megatron! Yo, Sakurga, what's up? Welcome in, dude. What's up? How you doing? How goes it? There's a timeline within the update of a timeline. Well, this is referring to two different scales. It's basically supposed to be pulsing, like, past one another inside of each other. Taco Bell product placement from Taco Bell. Okay, Lily. Sakurage, thank you for the follow. Welcome to the grid. Hope you're having a fantastic day, friend. And yeah, basically it's setting the scale of one while also setting the scale of the other. It's basically just supposed to be pulsing in between each other, between the two states. Although I'm not sure why it's not activating. Like I said, it would save me a whole lot of time if I knew the values inside the timelines, but Jesus did not, give me those, and I should have asked, and I didn't. And I don't know how to get a hold of him now, so... Welcome in, Geo. And hello, GT. Welcome in. See, it's not activating. I don't know. Calling on the second one every frame while the first one is running. The first one... But, this one is supposed to start a second later than this one. I thought. Hey yo, working on the bit? I am working on the bit. I'm chewing on the bit right now, because I have no idea what is broken, but... Okay, to go to hold a who? Jesus, in my server. Great, I was just coding, and, let's see. Coding, had to take a look around and found you. Oh, well, I'm glad you found me. Welcome in, Secure Gay. I wish you luck with your coding. That's not what happens there. Anything bad happen? Not so far. That's not what happens there. How do I get it then? Because... Okay, I have an idea. If I set this length to 2 and I move all these up by 1 second... You can call them one after the other with a sequence. Well, yeah, that's actually a good point. Alright. Well... Yeah, you know what? Let me try that, because I feel like that would be the easiest thing to just set up and see if that fixes it. Add delay nodes at the time offset? Yeah. Let me, Alright, let me break this. Move this stuff down. Okay, so grab a sequence node. No. Let me see. Added Hey, Golden Goddess. Hello again. Welcome in, dude. What's up? How you doing? Some shrooms might help in okay, Fuzzy. What do you think of my first Blender sculpt I'm working on? Making a dog wolf monster. Similar to the black and white games from a couple years ago. It's loading. Yo, that's an amazing sculpt. Holy cow, the detail. Wow, yo, GT, that's awesome. I love how it looks. Still a bit janky as this is my first. This is your first sculpt ever? Yo, you got more talent in your sculpting than I got when like all of me. Dude, this looks awesome, GT. Holy cow. You want to see? Okay, I mean, yeah, it's dude. GT, this is awesome! This is rad, man! Good night, Wordstone. Sweet dreams, my friend. Thank you for being here. Get some sleep, please. I know it's very late in your time zone. Don't try to bullshit me. But I wish you sweet dreams and a very sleep. And take care. We'll see you again, dude. No worries. Hold in left click. No, you get some sleep. I got sleep. Probably not enough, but I got sleep. Some reference images in the back. Huh? Oh, is that what those are? Okay. Wow, thanks for just... God, don't you love an Unreal Engine project when it finally opens? It just forces focus. Anyway. It's a really, really cool sculpt, GT. Seriously. I can only dream of being that talented at sculpting. That's awesome, dude. It reminds me of Vester when I forgot my dumbbells in the kitchen that one time. Okay, Steph, Jesus. Night, Nick. It's never too late for mags. It's too late, man. Like, I draw like a 10-year-old. My art style is stick figures and simple shapes. Hold S and left click. Oh, for the sequence? Alright. Oh, yeah. Let me, save that, and then I'll go into here and check out this blueprint, because this is what I actually wanted to do today. I actually wanted to try and reverse engineer this, blueprint project, this tutorial that I saw, and, is it fix the chair day? Yeah. Oh no. Oh yeah. It's the day that I hoped would never come, but it's gotta get done. So, which one of the creatures black and white game I tried to replicate? I will hydrate. Yo, dude, that's a cool creature too. It's like a giant lion. And Refractium, thank you for the hydrate. Luna, you napping beside my desk, baby? Oh, sweetheart. Fluffy sweetheart. Boop. Don't bite my arm while I'm drinking, Luna. She just bit my arm. She nibbled on my arm while I was drinking. Hey, Not on the microphone cord. Come on, you know better, Luna. Klopka. Yeet the chair day. Just yeet the chair day. Yep. I'm doing well, just getting ready for the day. How are you? I'm glad to hear it. I'm good, you know, just managing, you know. It's gonna be struggle with this chair, but, you know, I'll get it. It'll just might take me a while. Luna, the original heathen. Yep. Do you test? Just stuck her tail in my mouth. Luna, comprais mais. Tudo que lê. Arrivé. David Naga bebê. Bosley, check him out. Anyway, test print after your event. I usually try to. You know, test prints and breakpoints should be what I do. I need to make it more of a habit, but oh god, and then her fur gets everywhere because she's a long hair calico and I'm sweaty. Hello, kitten. I have a cat as well. She's adorable. Oh my god, she is adorable. Oh my god, look at those eyes. Beautiful tabby. Her name is Waffles. A beautiful name for a beautiful cat. That's awesome, Golden Goddess. She's adorable. In the game Black and White, you played as a god building a civilization while being able to be a good or evil god. You also had a monster pet that you could play around with, make it harvest crops, fight, or even eat your oh, okay. Fair enough, GT. Cool. Yum, cattail. Luna get the yeet out the window. No, I just set her on the bed. I just, you know, set her on the bed and she's glaring at me currently because she did. She doesn't like being picked up because she's so chunky. She's not a fan of being picked up, so. When it doesn't work, I put print everywhere and I forgot to remove them. My project is full of hello prints. Fair enough. Actually, yeah, let me at least make sure that this works before I start grinding my brain cells away on this damn chair again. I have a Waffles raid alert when she interrupts my stream. What? Oh, that's sweet, dude. Cats like to do that. They do. You know, she likes to hover, likes to be around me, and that's still not working. Okay, why? What the heck? I do event script. Okay, so that's fine. It's this. It's not. I don't. Okay. As you have black lines running down your arm, says green screen being funky. What? Oh, yeah, my green screen is being funky. Dude, I didn't notice that. Thank you for the heads up, Fuzzy. That's not supposed to be happening. It's only, okay, it's only when my arm is, apparently gets really reflective. Cool. It's because I'm sweaty, and I'm sweaty, so that makes me reflective, and when I'm reflective, my arm, like, the reflection from my arm looks yellow. Like, you know, greenish yellow, which is... Let me fix that real quick. Thank you for the heads up, Fuzzy. I didn't know about that. Zabal, thank you for the follow. Welcome to the grid. Hope you're having a fantastic day. Let me just, That works. Okay. Cool. Got it. Oh. Ah, that's fine. Not a big deal. So you got some cool tattoos? Dude, I have no tattoos, but I'd love some. First tattoo I'm getting, Sly Cooper. Like his thief tag, you know? The Sly Cooper face. Next one, Kingdom Hearts. And then after that, Tron. 3 tattoos I want. No idea where they would be placed or how, but those are 3 that I really want, you know? Alright, so let's see. So currently, huh? What the hell happened? What? I didn't even do anything. What broke? What? Wait, hold on. What broke? Invalid class. What the hell happens? Surprised Tron is so far down the list. I'm going like chronological order because my first video game that I ever played was Sly Cooper and the Thief vs. Raccoonus. I was 6 years old. It was my brother's PlayStation 2. After that, Kingdom Hearts and Kingdom Hearts 2. And then after that, when I was like 10, I discovered Tron 1982. It was recorded on one of my dad's old VHS tapes. And it wasn't even the whole movie either. I don't actually think I've told people this. It was the first like hour of the movie. I didn't see the ending until like a couple years later. So, but yeah, so I'm going chronological order. Let's see. You know, they can all be in one image, right? That's true, Geo, but then, you know, that is something to think about. See if for the fountain that pours cats. Oh my god, cat fountain, okay. Mag, speaking of Kingdom Hearts, can you figure out where I got Zolkir from? Hold on, is that... No. Did you rearrange the letters of your name and slap an X on it? Is that what it is? It's my last name, Nobodyified. Yo, really? That's awesome! Lily, I love that. Then Disney be like, you need copyright permission to put Tron on your skin, take it off. I would say, I would give them the finger. That would be the thing, and be like, come on, Disney. At that point, why even be a fan if Disney's gonna gatekeep it that hard? Disney sends someone around with a tattoo gun full of black ink and says the images. Good luck. Whatever. Anyway. So yeah, why is this broke? Why are you broke? How are you broke? What is with all these cubes? Oh, it's clusters. Okay, why are you broke? I can't reverse engineer something that's broke. So... It's because the VR crap, really? Okay. That was it. That was it? The stupid VR capabilities? Alright, well, I don't need any of this. Not even using a gamepad. VR breaks everything? Yeah, dude. Just don't need it. Alright, so this is basically the same because I'm using the enhanced input. So this for input interact button press or an alternate button. Check components. Okay, so is sitting, check components, is crouched. Huh. Player sits in a chair and can it will uncrouch the player optional. I don't have crouching currently, but I could. Sounds about right for an Unreal error. Yeah, I'm not even using VR. I don't know why that's... Alright. But the rest is majorly the same. This is what I need to focus on. Okay, so now... See, now this works. Okay. Okay. That'll be the chair component. As long as that works. Yeah, okay. You missed where my breakfast is sponsored from? Hardee's. Ugh. Excuse me, I don't like Hardee's. I have a dislike for Hardee's. It's an inherited dislike, but I've never... I think I've gone to Hardee's twice in my life, and both times they messed up my order. Like, as a kid, and then as a teenager, and it just... Both times, not good. The breakfast burritos are good. I remember getting some kind of burger and it was burnt the first time when I was young. And then the other time I got a salad and it like was like only lettuce. Like where the hell with the tomatoes and crap? Anyway. Everyone else also dislikes Hardee's since they're almost dead now. Yeah. I think Hardee's and Arby's. Hardee's and Arby's also combinatively combinatively Rax out of business. You know, I barely remember there used to be a Rax in Anderson, near where I grew up. And I went there once before it closed down. My dad was a manager at Rax for 20 years, and anyway. Helps I worked at this one so they know me. Fair enough. How does it handle when you interact from the side of the chair? I don't know. Okay, so it is snapping into place. And hey, Chris, I don't know if I said hi, but welcome in, Chris. Hope you have a fantastic day. There is okay, so there is a set positioning you have to be standing in to be able to interact with it. It seems to be mostly the front. Because, well, no matter where you activate it from, it still snaps you into place in the front of the chair. Interesting. Well, I'm gonna be replacing these animations anyways, but... Alright. So, that would be what I need for it. But let me just open the chair itself. Enjoy your Lark Refractium. Well, good luck with whatever you're going to do, or I wish you a happy time regardless. Oh, okay. Imagine trying to get it so the character moves the snap point, then sits down. Yeah, like walking to the position, you know? I don't know. Like walking to the front where the position would play from. Yeah, that animation's gonna change. Yeah, I can see it. Absolutely. Oh yeah. Yes, just yes. 4 a.m. Day is come and gone. Body is telling me sleep is done. I say no, go back to sleep for at least 2 more hours. Yeah, get some sleep, Chris. If you need, I appreciate you being here, but I'd rather you get some sleep. Take care of yourself. So, I wish you a very sleep and happy dreams, though, or a very sleep and sweet dreams, dude. No worries. Take care of yourself, please. Chair looks like a really expensive but comfortable plastic lawn chair. Yeah, I can see it. I think this is the standard, like, fairy dreams and happy sleep. Yeah. I think this is like the default chair that comes with Unreal, I think. Sleeper for the week. Wait, what day is it? Oh, of the week. It's Friday, isn't it? Yeah. Go slip, Chris. Amanda been having nightmares. Pretty lit nightmares. Oh, Chris, I'm sorry to hear that, dude. Sleep is what the weekends are for. I mean, but how you really go through the week with so little sleep? Seriously? Oh my god. I'm gonna have to change my shirt. My shirt is soaked from sweat. Just sitting in my chair. I can't. Sleep is what the week. Oh, come on, Chris. Give yourself some time to rest. Okay, so that. Okay, so this. Ah, this is the floatiness of. Okay, so. I get it. Sleep like 2 hours a day during the week? Really? Oh my god, you guys. Man. Okay, so I'm wondering if Wondering if I can recreate this. Not have to copy this, but just recreate this. I just have him move in front of the chair. Okay, so this is for the character snapping the place to sit in the chair. Player reference. Player reference variable. Okay, so I'm gonna bring this over to my second screen, effectively covering up my OBS for a moment. Less sleep means more time for game dev. That is a good point, Lily, but then if you don't get enough sleep, then you won't have the brain power for game dev, so... Less sleep also means less energy and productivity won't get... Yep, exactly. My sleep deprivation habits started in high school have been extended until now. Oh man, Chris, I can relate. Yeah, from about the time that I was studying for finals. I remember I would stay up playing like Gmod and TF2. Yeah, I need some kind of sound like that. The minute before ads happen, but playing TF2 and Gmod and then realize, oh shit, I have finals tomorrow, and then I studying for finals, and then from there it's just like I'd get like 3 hours sleep. Yeah, not fun. Oh, but good quality deving. Yeah, gamer, exactly. Energy comes in the form of caffeine, but that caffeine will only work for so long, and only last you for so long. And eventually also your body will become resistant to it slowly. And then a regular heartbeat. Yeah. Okay, so I'm not gonna be able to look at chat for a moment while I try and recreate this. So let me actually bring up... So if this is being put inside of the character... Okay, so this is all of this. So this is... Okay, so my interact is here. Bring this down. So, because this blueprint's using the old ones, it is an input action pressed and released. So I think that'd be triggered. Oh, let me create a new boolean first of all. Actually no, it needs to be a set. But it's getting referenced. No. Chair components. I need a chair components. Great. What? What? Okay, hold on. What? If it helps when I feel tired, I lay down and put the keyboard on my lap, worked in a reclined position. Oh my god, Lily. I mean, I guess that is technically a way. So, can I... Hold on. Can I open this up? Chair components. Edit chair components. Okay, so this is just getting a reference to the character? What? Wait, okay, hold on. Good night, Fuzzy. Sweet dreams. Okay, hold on. I am not already overwhelmed. It's fine. Well, hello there. Hey, R&D, welcome in. Good morning to all of you. Good morning to you as well, R&D. And, Fuzzy, midnight time, get some sleep. Sweet dreams, dude. Take care. Blueprints, components? What? No. Just go away. It's telling me to get a component, but then I can't do the component because it's... Okay. Is there a way that I could just copy this and bring this in? Because I really don't know if I want to do it this way. I can't paste. Great. An object of class? I don't know, Chris. I can show you how it's doing it because I'm trying to... Jesus. I'm trying to reverse engineer this, but because it's a chair component, edit chair component comes in here, it opens up a new thing here, but I can't... I don't understand how to make the component and attach it to the character thing. The character blueprint itself. Component custom in the example? I don't know. Or the component BP? Here? I'm already here. This is also using a component, which I think... Yeah, it gets reference to the chair. Seat with chair. And use the find tool in the top left to find that component assets. Find tool in the top left? Oh, it's a blueprint class. Yo, okay. Thank you, Geo. Yeah, migrate that. Yeah, thank you. I didn't realize it was in a class of its own. Okay. Okay. Let me open up the project folder and I'm gonna grab that. Gotta go for a minute? No worries, Geo. No worries. Thank you again. Thank you, dude. Appreciate it. Let me just... Hey, Josh. Welcome in. How are you? Welcome, welcome. Let me go... Projects... Sit and chair U5. Contents. Alright. This is in... Sit and chair... Okay, so yeah. There's a couple of components here I'm gonna need to import into... Okay. Grab this. Content, blueprints, share, and I will copy and paste. So those now should be in here as well. Yes, okay. Hi Mags, I'm good, thank you. How are you? I'm doing pretty good. Glad to hear it. I'm currently struggling with the evil chair blueprint again. Ugh. It's, I've been dreading it, but I need to just get it done, you know, not stress out about it so much. I'm reverse engineering this this blueprint from this one, so trying to kind of learn how it works and see if I can retrofit it to my meshes and stuff in my scene, my projects, etc. So it's the Chair of Doom at this point. Yeah, I've been dreading it, dude. Dude, I didn't. If you'd have told me that the chair was the thing that I would be struggling the most with as far as this like overlay goes, I would not have believed you. But this chair has given me more trouble than I ever could have expected. Worst type of nightmare? Yeah. Chair nightmare. Yep. It's fun. Okay, so nope. This needs to be, which one was it? Character chair. Yes. Okay, so I was right. Chair. Chair. What? What? Oh, okay. It just wasn't open. What the heck? Learn quickly that nothing is as simple as you think it will be. Yeah, I'm apparently still learning that lesson, Crimson, but learning it well, I think. Okay. Okay. So got that plugged in. So then I'm going into the event graph. Okay. Dragging this over to my other screen again to compare and possibly amend my blueprints. So interaction button pressed. Press and released. So it does use an event tick down here for when actually I don't need that yet because I don't have crouch animations on my character yet, but so interaction button pressed. Set interact button pressed. Okay, so I need a couple of these. Top one is yes. Pressed. And released. Which one would be released? Completed? Cancelled? We'll test it. I'll see what works. Okay, so then there's also an alternate button. So if I duplicate this, bring it over here. What button would it be? Like... yeah, I'll do a grave key. This might actually be the way that I do it, actually. Have it just set to a different button than my interact would be. Yeah, okay. So... should hopefully work like that. Okay, so that's it for the first person. I'm actually gonna, yeah, no, I'm gonna have it just for the button, I think. At least for now. Bring this over, like here. And I'll actually comment this out to be interact button for chair sit down BP. Comment that out so I know what it is. Okay. And then inside the chair blueprints. Where's the chair blueprint? It's here. Why are things out of order again? Chair sit down. So grab seat component, put it in there. Okay, so let me see, where's the center? Center's here. So if I grab inputs, what? Man, this is complicated. Okay, hold on. This is still the chair blueprint? Jesus. Okay, so that's that. Have you ever have you used any Affinity products before? I don't think so. It doesn't ring a bell. Um Okay, so I need a character variable. Okay, yeah, let me just let me think. Um Using Affinity Designer, which I guess is like Figma. What is Figma? No, it's wrong. Um Chair. Just sum it up with one word. Chair. Let me just, yeah, I'm just gonna make blueprints of all these. Stand up. Animation. This will be an animontage. Project reference. Duplicate this. This will be called sit down animation. This will be called reference, which is an actor. The other one called player reference. and 2 floats. All right. Is it the sitting down stuff again stuff? Yeah, it's the whole blueprint. I'm trying to reverse engineer as best I can, but I'm not 100% sure how successful I will be. So, let me do begin play. Setting this. Get player character. Okay, so then we need a collision box, which is box collision. Okay, so it is regular box collision. This is scale comparative to the thing. Hmm. Okay. Call this trigger box. Actually, no, I'll just keep it box collision. Keep from getting confused about it. Sorry guys, I'm full focus mode trying to... Huh. So then after that... branch that uses not... Yeah. Uses that. What? No. What? Visibility of a display widget? What? What display widget? Widget components. What? That's what? No, that's not what I meant to do. God, I thought it was a blueprint because it's a component, but it. I'm so confused. God damn it, go away. Visual Studio, no! I don't give a fuck! Okay. Hey, 3D Addict, what's up, man? Hey, Gio, welcome back. Very concerned. Yeah, welcome to my world. I'm struggling. Juggling. Okay, display. Jesus Christ, that jump scared me. Thank you, Josh. Keep me alive. Display widget sounds like a widget UI asset you may need to migrate. Yeah, God, I don't know. Basically, what I'm trying to do here is it has a display widget that it sets the visibility of. I'm not sure. Likely the press button to sit UI? Oh, well if it's that, then I don't need that, cause bruh. If that's all it is, I could just not need it. Yeah, if that's what it is. That would make sense that that would be how they set it up. But I don't actually need that. So yeah, it's a UI widget. I don't need that. Is actor brown chair check for sit. Oh my god. Okay, we got ads about a minute, so I'll pause for people to add so nobody misses anything. Let me just compile and save. God forbid I lose what I've done. This whole thing is just for the widget. No. I'll keep it just in case. Event tick down here. What is that? What? What does the M stand for? I've never seen an M. What? Oh, it's a macro. I've never made a macro in Unreal Engine. This would be the first time I'm making a macro. Huh. Okay. Huh. Never made a macro? I never have, Josh. Nope. We are in uncharted territory. We are indeed, or I am. I've never made a macro before. But during ads, I'm actually going to take a quick bathroom break. So I will be right back. Give me like 90 seconds to take a piss. Be right back. Okay, so making a macro. Macro. Okay, so this one's called conditions for sitting. This one is character. Reference. If it's a reserved name, how is this one named self? Okay. Self. Sure. Two F's. Why not? Welcome back. Thank you, Crimson. Outputs can stand up, sit down, both executives. So. Exec. Okay, so that's set up. So then bring this over here. This goes into a branch. Comes out is sitting. No. Okay, so it gets reference to this first, and then get components by class. Share components. And is sitting. Get is sitting. That plugs into there. Okay. Okay, that makes sense. I get that. Just align this all like that. Okay. Might have just done a simple of tree with swing next to it in UE as you can, but decided to show on Discord anyways because it was simple to do using shapes. Okay, Crimson, fair enough. I will check it out after I finish putting in all the macro nodes. I'm curious. Has animation played false. Goes into another branch. And this gets reference to sitting function. Then goes into another branch. Then reference. Actually, I could just copy this from here because that uses the say nodes. Grab this, but instead of the it's interaction button pressed, plug into there. Okay. And that's for is interaction button pressed. Is character falling? Wow, it checks for a lot of things. But I guess You know, it would to make sure nothing breaks. Alright, so... oh, is the interaction button pressed? Branch true. Player reference. Get the player reference. Character movement. Get character. Huh, okay. Is falling.